Welcome back to Health for You. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is often praised as a super drink for weight loss, blood sugar control, and digestion. But here's what's rarely discussed. Misuse can seriously harm your body. Its acidity, while beneficial, can be dangerous if not handled properly. Today we'll break down 7 things you should never do with ACV, backed by science and real-life examples. You'll get clear, safe guidelines to use this ancient remedy wisely. Let's dive into your no-nonsense guide to staying safe with apple cider vinegar. Many people reach for ACV right after a meal, hoping to aid digestion, but this is a mistake. Adding strong acid to a full stomach can cause indigestion, gas, and acid reflux. ACV works best when taken on an empty stomach about 15-20 minutes before eating. This primes your digestive system for the meal ahead. If you forget, wait at least 20-30 minutes after eating before taking ACV. Timing is everything. Let your body do its job before introducing vinegar. Use ACV as an ally, not an interruption to your digestion. More isn't better with ACV. Excessive intake can slow stomach emptying, causing bloating and nausea, especially for those with gastroparesis or ulcers. Overuse can also lower potassium and weaken bones, as seen in a case where daily high doses led to osteoporosis. If you're on medications for diabetes, heart conditions, or diuretics, ACV can dangerously interact with them. Stick to 1-2 tablespoons diluted in water per day. Always consult your doctor before starting ACV if you take any medications. Moderation and medical advice are key. Your health is a delicate balance, don't disrupt it. Use ACV wisely and safely. Never drink ACV undiluted. Its acidity can burn your mouth, throat, and esophagus, causing pain and even long-term damage. Even your stomach can be irritated by concentrated acid, worsening ulcers or gastritis. Always dilute 1-2 tablespoons of ACV in at least 8 ounces of water. This simple step protects your tissues while preserving the benefits. Think of dilution as taming a wild force, essential for safety. Don't rush for results. Patience protects your health. Make dilution a non-negotiable habit. Inhaling ACV vapors, whether from facial steams or cleaning, can irritate or burn your airways. The acetic acid fumes are harsh, especially for those with asthma or allergies. Reports show that inhaling these vapors can cause coughing, wheezing, and even lung damage. If you use ACV for cleaning or steaming, ensure good ventilation. Keep bottles away from children and pets. Respect ACV's power in all forms, liquid and vapor. Protect your lungs as much as your stomach. Even diluted ACV can erode tooth enamel, leading to sensitivity and decay. Use a straw to minimize contact with your teeth and protect your smile. After drinking, rinse your mouth with water. Don't brush right away, as acid softens enamel. Wait at least 30 minutes before brushing to let your enamel recover. This small change preserves your dental health. Enjoy ACV's benefits without sacrificing your teeth. A straw and a rinse go a long way. Drinking ACV before bed increases the risk of acid reflux and heartburn. Lying down lets acid travel up the esophagus, causing discomfort and potential damage. If you have GERD, this can make symptoms worse. Take ACV earlier in the day, ideally before meals, and stay upright for at least 30 minutes after. Let gravity help keep acid where it belongs. Timing matters for a restful, healthy night. Using undiluted ACV on your skin can cause chemical burns, irritation, and even scarring. Always dilute ACV with water. Try 1 part vinegar to 3 or 4 parts water. Do a patch test on a small area before wider use. The same acid that fights bacteria can harm your skin if not handled carefully. Don't trade one problem for another. Dilution and caution are essential for safe skincare. Nature's remedies require respect. ACV can be a powerful ally if you use it wisely. Dilute it, use a straw, avoid it after meals or before bed, and never drink it straight or inhale its fumes. Always patch test before using on skin. Follow these rules to enjoy the benefits without the risks. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time on Health for You.